Can a 4-year-old Lenovo Legion laptop with an RTX 3070 outperform or at least match the 9th generation family of home gaming consoles such as the Xbox Series X and the PS5? Can I dock this to my TV and have a similar-ish experience? Well, we're gonna find out in this video in one way or another. I hope you can hear it on camera. That's pretty loud, like a jet engine. And it's pretty hot too, god damn. I made this channel cause I was just a little bored. Please subscribe, there's a whole world that we can all explore. We're all born minds to think alive. We're all born minds to think alive. Yeah. So obviously for this weekend's gaming project, I'm gonna have to use my old laptop, of course. Let me put it down because it's really hot. Next is an HDMI cable. This can output 4K 60, no problem. Sometimes there are cables that can't do that, so you have to double check before purchasing one. I'm sure this one works since I've used this with my Xbox Series X and my PS5 before I sold them both. Next, I'm gonna need a wireless controller just to simulate that console experience. We don't want to use mouse and keyboard in this project. And I'm gonna need a wireless adapter to get the least amount of latency. So this is my TV. You've already seen this guy before in a previous video. But I'm gonna be docking this laptop to my TV. It's all in my room, so everything is nearby. But first, let me do some cable management because I'm gonna be placing the laptop on top of this. Okay, are you ready? Cable management complete. Let me just dust it off a little bit. I'm gonna be vacuuming later. Don't worry about it. So now we're gonna put my laptop over here, be just in front of my Nintendo Switch. Actually, let's move the Nintendo Switch here. Seems nice. Let me plug the controller in. Let's make sure that I have some ample airflow beneath the laptop. Make sure this thing is connected. Oh, it's really hot in my room, guys, right now. God damn, the heat. Okay, it's connected. And, did a little shake. Next one would be to transfer this from my Nintendo Switch to the laptop itself. Okay, finally, let me lower the volume. So this game is running 4K 60 on the Xbox Series X, and I'm assuming on the PS5 as well. So we're gonna try to target that. We're gonna try and target 4K 60, but unfortunately, the frame rate here is only capped to 55. It can't go 60. It's 55, 83, 165. It can go unlocked, but I don't want a nuclear reactor in my room. So let's just do 4K 55. I'm not using any upscaling. It's all off. For the graphics, it is mostly high right here. Extreme, ultra, and I want to show the FPS too, so you can see it. Let's go. Running on low video memory. So we are running at 4K at 26 FPS, but I'm currently recording as well, so it's hogging up some of the performance. So the good thing about PC is we can lower the settings. Let's just make it medium. Help this computer a little bit. And there we go. I can totally play it like this. Right now the GPU utilization is around 80, so we can bump up the settings. Just like that. PC is easy, you just have to adjust. We have ray tracing on as well. I can definitely put some resolution scaling, but right now we're just gonna basically raw dog it, you know. Ray tracing will be medium, and let's put FPS, please. 4K 60 at high settings. No upscaling or anything like that. It looks amazing. Running 4K 55 FPS, and I'm not even maxing out my GPU utilization right now. And I'm not even using any upscaling. I can play this all day if I can tolerate the heat that's coming out of it. Just play a little bit more. Just want you to see the quality. I'm not really a fan of this game. I like Forza Horizon 4 better. You know what? For fun, let's try putting some upscaling. Oh, I also don't have anti-aliasing on. So let's put on some MSAA. Let's put DLSS, right? Let's just try it. Yep, definitely playable. How can I skip this cutscene? So I enable DLSS as well as ray tracing medium settings. Most of the settings are on high, and look, it's pretty amazing. This is 4K, by the way. This is 4K. Oh, you know what? I actually just all this time I forgot that I put my laptop on balance mode. I can also push this to its limits. By the way, this laptop has an RTX 3070 mobile chip with an 8GB GDDR6 VRAM that is up to 140 watts TGP. All this time I'm playing it on the medium power profile. So let me change it. Let me go in front of the camera and change it real quick and give it the best chance of succeeding. Now it's on. What a beautiful game, guys. Wow. Yeah. Can you hear the fan noise? I don't even want to know how hot this thing is now. So, Forza Horizon 5 works pretty amazingly. I have a couple more games to show off. But I'm also gonna turn down the power profile. It's too loud. Damn, my recording for Forza Horizon 5 just got corrupted. Damn. Let's play Doom the Dark Ages. Let's see if it works on my 4K TV. I'm just right beside you guys. Yeah, we're pulling in 120 watts. Controller gaming. Why am I burning? What?
Confirmed. The Slayer has been activated.
So this is 60 FPS, but let's see what we have here in terms of graphics. Oh, we're running at a 1080p resolution. So that's why it's running perfectly. But we're gonna try and see 4K. Why not? We're gonna also do highest FOV. That's really gonna put a strain on the graphics card here. So, according to a YouTube video I watched, El Analista de Bits, sorry if I mispronounced your channel name, but Doom the Dark Ages on an Xbox Series X targets upscaled 4K 60 from a dynamic 1440p. So let's try to match those settings. Let's turn on path tracing, why not? Everything on low. Oh, did it crash? Oh no. It's struggling, guys. We have 2 FPS. 1 FPS, guys. And look at that. Look at that latency. 700 milliseconds. Completely unplayable. Alright. Let's tone it down. If it can move. It's not moving anymore. I kind of feel bad for this PC. Okay. We turn it off, we can probably... Yeah, we can move a little faster now. Just lower the resolution. Sorry. This is rough. My poor laptop is screaming. Come on, you can do it. Well, guys, I can only manage 1080p 60. RIP laptop. But hey, it's still playable though. It's on low settings too. No, that's really bad. Oh, 1440p. Oh, 1440p we can still manage 1440p. It's not that bad on a 4K TV. Just move a bit. Hold LT to block. Right. 51, 57. Let's see if I can make more balanced DLSS. Well, we can say goodbye to path tracing. Yeah. 1440p is the best that I can do with this game. Honestly, it's playable. Doom games always make me motion sick. But in terms of playability, 1440p, not bad, with a little bit of DLSS. Alright, next game. We're running at 4K. 30 FPS. Let's try performance or quality mode. Don't have any frame gen. We are at 40 FPS and medium settings. It's my first time playing any Oblivion, Elder Scrolls game. I have no idea.
What's this prisoner doing here? This is supposed to be off limits.
I've seen you. Let me see your face.
I mean, it looks good, all things considered. This is 4K.
There's no way to open it from the other side.
Unfortunately, I can't reach 60, but it's fine. Maybe when we go outside, it's gonna get worse. Let's see. Oh, we need keys.
Do as you're told and you'll be... This is official.
Oh my god, what the hell? Throw some hands. Fuck you, Mickey Mouse. Oh, what a big ass rat. Honestly, this looks fun to play. Maybe I'll give this a shot. By the way, I forgot to mention, I'm playing all of this through Game Pass. I only paid $1. Okay, now I think we're going outside. How do you jump? Stupid rat. Are we finally out? Another rat. Just want to get outside. Okay. I think we're out. We are not out.
Bruh.
Honestly, you get the point. Let's just change to another game. I'm starting to get dizzy. This is the first level of Crash Bandicoot 4. We're currently running at 4K 60, insane graphics setting. No issues, but it is an older title. Unlike those other games that we tested before, they're pretty new. And like I said, these are all on Game Pass. Paid $1 just to test all of these games. While I'm playing, I just want to do a quick recap. Forza Horizon 5 ran pretty well on 4K 60. Doom: The Dark Ages ran like shit. As you can, ran like shit. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. What was the last game? Oh, Oblivion, around 4K 40 FPS-ish. So that's not too bad, I guess, for newer titles. And moving forward, damn. We're gonna get left behind in the dust. With a little bit more tweaking, I could probably squeeze out much more performance, but I'm too lazy. So in the end, what have we learned? What have I learned? I learned that my laptop is struggling, goddamn. But I don't think that I need to upgrade specifically. It just makes me realize how easy to pick up and play, how worry-free you can be if you're just console gaming. With your Xbox, with your PS5, you don't have to worry about tweaking, you don't have to worry about settings or anything like that, like currently what I'm doing. Yes, I can definitely use this as a replacement if I were to dive more into the settings, optimal resolution for each game, but nothing beats the ease of use, the user-friendliness of a console. It takes a lot from the perspective of a semi-casual gamer like me to try and make this work. If I still had my Xbox Series X right now, I would probably spend more time gaming than wasting time tinkering. But there's a lot of people that like tinkering, and honestly, it's just two sides of one coin. To answer the title again, yes it can, but I don't think it's worth doing. If you're just tired, if you're from work or some shit like that, or if you have just a couple of minutes to play games, I think consoles are so much better. But yes, you can use older hardware to try and simulate a console experience. Definitely. That's one of the major advantages of PC game. You can do a lot. You can do a lot. And gaming is just one of the things that a laptop or gaming laptop can do. My room is literally so hot right now. I feel like I'm burning because of the lights and the heat from the laptop. I hope that's worthy of a subscription and a like. I don't think I can play games anymore right tonight. I'm really tired. So yeah, goodbye.